Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by getting SF symbols and Figma talking. Open SF symbols, pick the icons you need, and export them as SVG or PDF so Figma preserves vector strokes and weights. Once done, create a Figma file with a consistent artboard size. I use 24 PT base and 1x scale to match Apple metrics. Make sure to name layers and keep symbols organized by category. This prevents confusion later and speeds up insertions while preserving Apple's intended proportions and alignment. Now import the exported SVG or PDF into Figma and align each icon to your 24 PT grid so sizes match native UI. After placing, convert each icon into a component and create variants for different weights or scales. This makes swapping states effortless. Once done, simplify paths, flatten unnecessary groups, merge Boolean shapes if needed, and convert strokes to fills when appropriate to avoid scaling issues. Doing these steps ensures clean vectors, consistent behavior across screens, and predictable responsiveness when you reuse icons. Finally, place component instances into your UI and set constraints so icons scale with containers. Use variants to switch weights instead of manual edits. This preserves visual consistency. When you must resize, keep icons at integer scales, 1x, 2x, and avoid fractional scaling to prevent blurry rendering. If something goes wrong, inspect whether strokes were converted to fills or if the artboard uses the wrong baseline. Re-import and reconvert an icon if alignment or hinting looks off.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.